Is there any room for Lincoln this morning? Did he just push you off your bar stool?
It was his.
Oh.
And then...
Okay, well, it's the day after Thanksgiving. Good morning.
And for breakfast, we're having hot chocolate, maybe a little bit of pie.
Maybe a little bit of pie.
I love pie.
I know. I think we should just stick with cereal and hot chocolate. You know, seriously, it's the same thing with the amount of like garbage and sugar. Okay, or cereal. It's fine. Yep, pie for breakfast, I guess.
Actually?
Lincoln, stop. You know that's inappropriate.
Okay, guys, this is not the kind of talk that we need for setting up the Christmas tree, okay? Mark's up! Aunt Linda's upset with Mark for not waking up. We were up last night at midnight, at 1. I think we heard stuff around like 4, and then I was just up at 5:50 with her. I think she likes 5:50. I think that's her internal alarm clock. So, you know, today we're putting up the Christmas tree, and we've got to do it before her staff comes to pick her up. This is not, you know, normal attire for setting up Christmas, but it's a new year. It's new times. I set some oh. It's okay.
You got pinch pie.
I put some rolls out. Okay, that's what I was trying to say, because we need leftover food. Raise your hand if you want to set up our Christmas tree, or or if you want to set up Grandma's Christmas tree with just lights and no ornaments. Do you want our ornaments, or do you want Grandma's?
An almanac.
I gave you 2 options. We're putting up Grandma's with it's just lights.
She voted for both.
Or do you want
Ours?
ours with our ornaments?
I don't care. You guys can do whatever you want. I don't care.
Okay, what do you want, Olivia?
I don't care.
What do you want, Link?
Ours.
Okay, what do you want? This is
I
gonna be
was planning on ours.
All right, go get it. Let's go. We're on a time crunch, Mr. Hoellein. So, Mark, it's about time you get out of bed.
Dress me by my real
Baby.
name. It's Mark to you.
Why did he sleep in? How come it took so long for him to get up?
Huh?
Mark, how come it took Mark so long to wake up?
What now?
Yeah, she was mad at you. She said, go get Mark right now. I kind of want to try something new. I want to put the tree right here because I think it would make for because I think it would make a really good picture.
Put like it in the corner.
No, I mean, my mom's had it all over the place over the years, but I think I want to do it right here. So I kind of want to move the couches. So when you walk in, it's just, I mean, the couches could stay. Maybe we'll do the couches in a minute.
Could stay.
I don't know, I kind of want one couch right here and one couch over there.
But then you gotta think about this blockway though. On how to walk.
Yeah.
And then we gotta figure out who.
All right, we'll figure it out.
And you don't want the couch over here.
You want to go right here? That's
Yeah, I think so. Okay. It is gonna be pretty.
That's the tree.
All right, she's up.
Do you like the tree? Ooh.
Okay, well, maybe we should reconsider this whole flocking situation.
Flocking mess.
No way.
It's just a flocking mess, and you have to deal
Oh
with
my
flocking every
God.
year.
Oh, the flocking.
Oh, that's
Should we do it now?
Watch your flocking mouth. You hold that box.
Oh my God, it's buzzing. Oh.
We don't know.
She
said, Idia, my friend.
Oh, really?
Come up here.
Mom, it would be nice. Mom, it would be nice that when you sit down on the couches, you can see the Christmas tree and us playing in the snow outside.
Oh, that is going to be really fun, isn't it?
Did you guys ever put your tree here?
I don't think we've ever had a tree right here. No.
Did you ever put it in this corner?
Neighbors always had their trees like this.
Well, how are we gonna do
I
the
guess my parents
How
always
is
had a
Santa
tree.
gonna do the presents?
No.
Christmas is a broken evening.
Hold me. Ha ha ha. Oh, come on, Bon. Ah, there we got it.
No.
Go put Lady away right now.
Yeah, put the flocking dog away.
Put the fluffing dog away.
Yes.
Flocking.
On the Christmas.
Fluffing.
We always said flocking.
Another Jimmy.
Fluffing.
Another Jimmy.
What do you want to bet?
$1,000 right now.
No. Okay. It's on.
I get a new ski suit.
And I get a new,
Can I get a ring?
You're not part of this bet.
I am.
Is it fluffing or flocking? Joel,
Flocking.
insert the clip.
I'm just deciding what I'm gonna spend that $1,000 on.
Me, because
And literally, my birthday is on Sunday. So, because I couldn't find this on Instagram, I think I need to put it on Instagram. Or put it on Instagram. From 4 years ago, this is the best Christmas montage I've ever had.
Fluffing business. What the fluff are you doing? Doing your fluffing business?
Cute.
I said fluffing. I told you, $1,000.
It's my birthday, I won the bet, and you are going to pay up, and you're gonna go shopping with me.
You can do that. I literally can't believe I lost that bet. Let's go to last year's vlog.
No, I don't care. It's fluffing. Because flocking would have been too, like, similar. It would have been too vulgar for my taste.
For your taste?
It's your birthday.
On Sunday.
Oh no, I was seeing have a birthday for you.
Okay, did you get me a present?
No, I'll get it. It's sore.
You don't have to.
I'm gonna mind. I want nothing. I'm just tired.
She said, never mind. I'm not gonna get one. Never mind. Birthday's over.
Cancel.
Boston, doing off the treehouse. Boston, move out of the way. Okay, Boston, your turn. Good. Just go.
We've got stuff in the oven. This is gonna take a while though, and everyone is starving, so I'm gonna feed everybody our like leftover Chinese food. You know, it looks fine. Oh, there's not a lot.
Nope.
Okay, just kidding. Well, I'm gonna have to put something out here. Anyway, Aunt Linda went home, and we're gonna finish wrapping up the tree. Oh, Lincoln, no. I have breakfast in my mouth, and I'm sitting here witnessing. I am witnessing Lincoln actually manhandle this soccer goalie, and I was thinking in my mind, open the window and tell him to be soft with it. And then I thought, I make these kids be delicate and soft and not touch walls and, you know, just like anal as crap in the house. And I thought, he's playing with a toy. If he wants to manhandle the toy, that is fine with me. Oh, you should have seen him. And then, when I turned the camera on, what you're witnessing, you can cut, oh, okay, no, hold on. He is, you know, he's taking on the dog's energy is what he Okay, and I know I can see people being like, he's hurting the dog, no, I know there is no ill will, and he's just kicking the fence because it's making a noise, and I will tell him not to do that. And yes, I know I'm gonna get crap for laughing at that, but you know what? I thought it was dang stinking funny. He did not hurt the dog. And that dog never stops barking, okay? He was just, you know, he was playing. I thought I was gonna choke on my breakfast. Joel and the kids got Grandma Griffith's yard done, and they went over and got Grandpa and Grandma Hoellein's yard done right before it started to snow. What did you do?
I mowed Grandma Hoellein's front yard 5 times.
In order to pick everything up?
Yeah, and I had to mow the front yard all 6 times.
So you did not mow it 6 times.
I mean, I'll put it all together.
Well, we ended the night by going to a hockey game with my sister Julie and all of her kids. Things became a little unhinged at some point. We left a little early so we could get home at a good time. Thank you guys so much for putting up the Christmas tree with us. We hope you guys had a nice time watching the video. The tree looks so pretty and inviting. And yes, Cody, show them what you got.
I caught the puck.
Nice.
Why is your face black?
Okay, good night, everybody.